Namaskar. Welcome to Dynamic Economy and Economics. This is the best platform for conceptual clarity and analytical understanding of economics. अगर आपको इकोनॉमिक्स अपने कंसेप्ट क्लियर करनी है और एनालिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करनी है तो दिस चैनल इज द बेस्ट चैनल. आज के इस वीडियो में हमारा जो कंसेप्ट है वो है एंजल्स एग्रीगेशन. एंजल्स एग्रीगेशन. इसके पहले हमने वीडियो में देखा था कोर्नोज एग्रीगेशन. इसमें हम समझेंगे कि एंजल्स एग्रीगेशन क्या है और इसका रेलेवेंस क्या है. वास्तव में जो एंजल्स एग्रीगेशन है ये इनकम एलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड के कंसेप्ट पर आधारित है या यूं कहें उसको एनालाइज करता है. दिस इज फार्मूला फॉर इनकम एलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड where percentage change in quantity demanded is divided by percentage change in income of the consumer. इस फार्मूले को अगर हम एक्सपेंडिचर के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करना चाहें तो इसे हम यूं भी लिख सकते हैं. elasticity, income elasticity of demand equals percentage change in expenditure on a particular commodity divided by percentage change in income of the consumer. ये क्वांटिटी फॉर्म में है और ये एक्सपेंडिचर फॉर्म में है. अब ये जो है ये बजट कांस्टेंट है या टोटल इनकम व्हिच द कंज्यूमर इज स्पेंडिंग ऑन टू कमोडिटीज Q1 एंड Q2. ये हमारा बजट कांस्टेंट है या हम कह सकते हैं कि इक्वेशन ऑफ द बजट लाइन है. P1 price of one commodity, Q1 quantity of one commodity, P2 price of second commodity, Q2 quantity of second commodity and I is total income. अब ये P1 Q1, what is P1 Q1? It is the total expenditure of the consumer made on commodity 1. तो इसे हमने लिख दिया E1. E1 is the total expenditure on commodity 1. Similarly, P2 Q2 is total expenditure on commodity 2. So this becomes E2 expenditure on commodity 2. Since there are only two goods in the consumer's basket, so E1 plus E2 is equal to I, total income. Now we take total differential of this income constant, and this total differential DI equals DE1 plus DE2 means total change in income is sum of change in expenditure on commodity 1 and change in expenditure on commodity 2. This. Now we divide whole this expression by DI and get this DE1 upon DI, DE2 upon DI is equal to 1. DE1 is change in expenditure on first commodity and DE2 is change in expenditure on second commodity. Now we multiply this by I upon E1 and E1 upon I. Means this is 1. I cancel, E1 cancel. It is 1. But multiply this by this. Similarly, this is multiplied by I upon I, E2 upon E2. This is 1, but nothing. Now, see, E1 upon I. This is proportion of income is spent on commodity 1 or share of commodity 1 in consumer's budget. This is denoted by alpha 1. And this is, as per this formula, income elasticity of first commodity. Similarly, this is percentage expenditure on second commodity, alpha 2. And this is income elasticity of second commodity 2, EI2. And this equals 1. So we have this relationship alpha 1 EI1, alpha 2 EI2 is equal to 1. This can be extended to n number of commodities. Means if there are n commodities in the consumer's budget, even then this expression will hold. That is alpha 1 EI1, alpha 2 EI2 and so on, alpha n EIN is equal to 1. This is Engel's aggregation condition. So this condition states that weighted sum of income elasticities of goods in a consumer's budget equals 1 when the commodities are weighted by their respective share in total expenditure. एंजल का एग्रीगेशन कहता है कि किसी उपभोक्ता के बजट में जितनी वस्तुएं होती हैं उन सभी वस्तुओं के आय के लोच का भारित योग हमेशा 1 के बराबर होता है, जब जो भार होता है वो वस्तुओं के कुल व्यय में हिस्से के बराबर होता है. दिस इज एंजल्स एग्रीगेशन. अब इसके माध्यम से हम क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. जैसे मान लो ये पूछ लिया जाए दैट प्रूव दैट weighted sum of elasticities, income elasticities in consumer's budget is 1. और ये पूछ लिया जाए कि show the relationship between income elasticities of goods in a consumer's budget. In that condition, we will have to derive this relationship. Objectively, suppose there are two commodities in a consumer's budget. 40% is spent on commodity 1 and income elasticity of this commodity is 2. Then what will be the income elasticity of the second commodity? From this expression we can solve this issue. Alpha 1 is 40%, this is 0.4. Income elasticity is 2 plus alpha 2. If alpha 1 is 40, then definitely alpha 2 will be 60%, 0.6, and elasticity of second was not known. This should be equal to 1. Now solve this. This is 0.8 plus 0.6 EI2 is equal to 1. This goes this side. 0.6 EI2 is equal to 1 minus 0.8.2. So EI is equal to EI2 is equal to 0.2 upon 0.6 is equal to 1 by 3. This is the use of Engel's aggregation condition in estimating income elasticity of other goods. One thing should also be noted that income elasticity cannot be estimated for compensated demand curves. Why? Because compensated demand curves are not based on income, or we can say that income is not constant in case of compensated demands. Rather, compensated demands curves are based on the assumption that utility level is constant. आज की वीडियो में इतना है. मन में कोई प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट के माध्यम तक से हम तक जरूर पहुंचाएं. अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद.